everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I thought I would bring you along as I make some easy chicken fajitas on my Blackstone Griddle. It's a beautiful day around the 1st of January. The rain's quit and it's nearly 70 degrees outside. So this is just going to be something quick and easy. So I'm just showing you how I make it. I have 3 chicken breasts that's boneless and skinless, and that I cut up in strips. And then in this bowl I have around a half a cup of oil and some fajita seasoning mix. Now I could have made my own, but Ricky had went and bought a pack of it, and I told him next time that I can just make it. But anyway, we're going to go with the pack of it, and I'm going to pour this over my chicken, mix it up, and let it marinate in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes to an hour. And then I will go ahead and chop up my bell pepper and onion, cover it, let it set in the refrigerator, and then in a little bit I'll meet you at my griddle. Okay, we're outside at my griddle. I have the whole thing heating up, and then on this side I'm going to cut these 2 burners down on low, because that will be what I just warm my flour tortillas up in, and I can't say that word. So I have this on high, and even though my chicken is marinated with the oil in it, I am going to put a little of this tsang stir-fry oil because it has the garlic flavor and all in it. And I'll put a little bit of that for the peppers and the onions too. And I will season them up. Now I will turn the heat down just a little bit. And to help your peppers and onions or your vegetables, you can take a little water and squirt it on there, and that'll help create some steam. And I'll bring you back as it goes to cooking. Alright, my chicken is pretty much done. I do want it to get a little bit more color on it, because that's how I like it. But I am going to go ahead and top it with the peppers and the onions, and then get that mixed in real good. And in just a minute, and in just a moment, I'm going to warm up my flour tortillas. Sorry about that. Now, what I will do to clean this sticky, where that obviously has some sugar and stuff in it, once I remove everything, I will cut my griddle off and wear protective, like my UV glove on my hand, and take the dough scraper and squirt some water and scrape it up. Just scrape up the sticky, and then once it totally cools, I will just wipe it down some, make sure it's dry, and put a thin coating of oil on it, and then cover it up. It's not really that hard to clean. Now I've had this side all the way on low. I'm not going to put any grease or anything down. It's just the flour tortillas, and no, I cannot say that. And I'm just going to heat it up to make it a little pliable on both sides. And then I will take you inside, and we'll make one up to try. I might need the tongs for these real quick. Now, of course, you can top your fajitas with whatever you like. This is going to be for Ricky, and I have chopped up some jalapenos. I'm going to add some of that on there. And you can add you some sour cream. He's going to put some cheese on his. I've got some guacamole made. That I'm probably going to put some of that and some ranch on mine. So let me get the cheese. Now, my daughter, while it was still out on the grill, she went ahead and made hers up, put the cheese on there, and then folded it over so it would melt. But we all eat ours different. So that's why I just do it this way. And if you want your cheese melted, you can be out at the griddle and do it that way. A little sauce on there. Okay, you ready to try it for us?
Yep.
I kind of overfilled it like I usually do, but leave your plate right there, please. Sorry, all you see is his shirt. Sorry, all you see was his shirt. How is it?
Excellent.
There you go. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.